Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to discuss important 4 marks of short answer topic in intermediate second year physics in the chapter electric charges and fields, that is derivation of the formula or derivation of equation for the couple acting on electric dipole which is placed in uniform electric field. So you can see this one in the figure clearly. So an electric dipole having 2 point charges minus q and plus q. Minus q is at A, plus q is at B, which is placed in the uniform electric field. You can see the electric field lines are shown which are moving from left to right and their direction is denoted. So E bar is electric field. So let an electric dipole having two charges minus q at A and plus q at B is placed in uniform electric field. So now axis of the electric dipole, you can see axis of the electric dipole makes an angle theta with the direction of electric field, that is theta students. So let the axis of electric dipole makes angle theta with the direction of electric field. Now the charge minus q and plus q can experience some force due to attractive and repulsive forces from the electric field. So force acting on plus q at B along the direction of electric field is taken as F1, which is equal to E into Q. So they are also mentioned in the figure. F1 is equals to E into Q. So this is written from intensity of electric field definition students. E is equals to F by Q naught. Using that one it is written. Now force acting on minus Q at A but this force is acting on minus Q at A in opposite to electric field direction, which is given by F2 is equals to minus E into Q. Minus is taken from negative charge students. So now these two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite direction, acting at different points on the dipole produces a couple. So these two forces, you can see F1 on the left side of electric field and F1 in the right side of the electric field and F2 is the left side. That is, F1 is along the electric field direction, F2 is opposite to electric field. Both forces are acting at A and B on the electric dipole producing. So these two forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, acting at different points on the dipole produces a couple. So this couple tries to rotate the dipole in the direction of electric field. So now the couple acting on the electric dipole is given by the formula. Couple or torque or moment of couple is given by tau is equals to one of the forces that is F1 or F2 and perpendicular distance between the lines of action of forces students. So that is tau is given as one of the two forces we are taking F1 and perpendicular distance from the diagram you can see. So BC is the perpendicular distance because this is drawn between the lines of action of force F1 and F2. So tau is equals to F1 into BC. So from the triangle ABC sin theta you can take sin theta is equals to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. That is, so you can see from the figure. So to the theta opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AB. AB equal to dipole length 2A and perpendicular distance is BC. That is why so tau is equals to F1 is F1 into BC is written, and sin theta is equals to BC by AB. So BC is equals to by cross multiplication AB sin theta, but AB is a dipole length students which is 2A. So from equation 1 we can write F1 is EQ and BC means 2A sin theta. So tau is equals to Q into 2A. Q into 2A is given as Q into 2A is given as P, electric dipole moment students. Electric dipole moment magnitude P is equals to product of one of the two charges and dipole length Q into 2A. So now tau is equals to, we can write E into P sin theta, then tau is equals to PE sin theta in vector form. So in vector form it can be written as tau bar is equals to P bar cross E bar. So P bar cross E bar in terms of magnitude can be written as tau is equals to Pe sin theta. So but this resultant vector tau bar can act perpendicular to the plane having P bar and E bar. So this is the derivation of the formula, students. That's all. So so you can see again from top to. So in vector notation it can be written as tau bar is equals to P bar cross E bar. So the product of magnitude of this P bar cross E bar can be equal to Pe sin theta from cross product of vector, students.